Make sure this last part you smash the like button and subscribe. Okay?
We're trying to harm the plaza.
No, that can't be! How could those two goody two-shoes just forgive Teo like that? His alter ego destroyed the plaza. They were supposed to turn on him, despise him, cast him out. I shall have to take another tack with this irritating kid. No, you won't be breaking your box lifting record today, Radicles. What evil surprise do you have up your evil sleeve next, Foxmore?
A Foxmore job application? As if I would never work at Foxmore.
Hello, K.O. Finally, we meet screen to face. Never work at Foxmore, you say? Woo! Well, I'm about to make you an offer you can't refuse, K.O. Come with me. And I promise to stop all my attacks on Lakewood Plaza Turbo.
You'll leave the plaza alone?
Yeah,
If I come work for Foxmore?
precisely. Just say yes, and you will finally become the Plaza Savior. Isn't that what you've been working towards all along?
I guess I don't have a choice. It's what's best for the plaza.
It's settled then. You start now. Lakewood Plaza Turbo. What are you going to do now without your precious little good luck charm? With him out of the way, let's see how you fare against one of my latest evil creations.
Hey! We had a deal, Foxman.
Didn't they teach you to knock at the plaza?
You said that if I came to work for Foxmore, you'd leave the plaza alone. But you were just lying.
Oh, I'm so sorry that I told a nasty why. Nah, grow up, you gullible rube. Did you really think I'd ever stop trying to destroy the plaza? Never! I won't rest until the plaza is rubble!
Well then, Mr. Lord Foxman, you've given me no choice but to tender my resignation.
Excuse me.
I quit.
No, you're terminated! Children!
Right now.
Brad, wake up!
Ow!
I just found this note in my locker. It's from K.O. It says, Dear Enid, I have decided to take a job at Foxmore. I'm not evil, it's just something I have to do. Find a way to break the news to Rad gently. He is a sensitive soul.
No, I'm not. Let me see that. What are you thinking, little buddy?
This is some Foxmore scheme. We have to do something. He's in trouble.
I'm in trouble!
Your troubles are almost over.
You've been feeling out so hard right now. I got your call, Eugene. Foxmore has the kids.
Seems so. K.O., you hold down the plaza while your mom and I go rescue Rad and Enid.
Can't I come too? I want to help. It's my fault Rad and Enid are in trouble. Too dangerous, Hun Bun.
You just wait right here, and we'll all be back in a jiff.
Mommy, how long is a jiff?
Hello, K.O.
Dendy, what are you still doing at the plaza?
Entering Nocturnal Plaza info into my database.
Oh, well that makes sense. I think.
They are not coming back, KO.
What? Who?
Mr. Gar, your mom, Rad, and Enid. They have been captured by Boxmore.
How do you know?
I subscribe to Boxmore's e-newsletter so I can keep up to date with their evil goings-on.
No! This can't be happening!
It is happening. I just showed you that it is happening.
No, I mean, never mind. Debbie, I need to try to save them.
I calculate your chances of success at...
I don't want you to calculate anything. I want you to help me get into Boxmore.
Okay, KO. I have been tinkering with the holofoil PAL card source code lately and appropriated the vibrational warping properties and re-engineered them to obey code commands.
Huh?
I type on my computer, and you go to Boxmore.
Oh.
Gotta hand it to you, KO. You were pretty darn heroic in there.
Textbook rescue, KO.
It was nothing. I mean, actually, it was super duper hard, but you know what I mean. I'm proud of you, Hot Bun.
When we get back to the plaza, take the rest of the day off, KO. You earned it.
3 cheers for KO, our little hero.
Whoa. Do you guys feel that?
I'm getting all tingly.
It's happening. We're back to our old levels.
I feel 11 again.
I helped get all your levels back. My quest is complete.
KO, you rescued us, gave Lord Boxman a whooping, and got us all our levels back. Surely you're level 1 now. Check your card.
Nope. I'm still not a whole number hero. Aw, don't worry, honey. I'm sure you'll get another chance to make level 1.
Yes, KO. Let's be heroes and villains one more time, shall we? We all come from different towers.
I did it!
Eight 15 minutes later.
Check your card now.
It's hopeless.
Jeez, it's almost like the POW card company has it in for you, KO.
KO, I have been checking and rechecking the mathematical calculations I used to determine the probability of successfully rescuing your friends from Boxmore and defeating a Mega Lord Boxman. It doesn't add up. What you did was statistically impossible. I am going to run the numbers again.
How can you even see the screen, Dandy? Your glasses are all fogged up. Let me help you. Huh? I'm a 1! I'm a 1!
For your daring do, your boundless enthusiasm for all things Plaza, for having Carol as your mom, and for finally reaching Hero Level 1, I present you with this novelty key to the Plaza. It doesn't open anything. All the locks around here are regular sized.
Wow! I've always dreamed of holding this giant key.
Wait. He gets a Plaza key for being a level 1? Dude, I'm a level 2. Where's my key?
Level 2. Brandon's right. My journey isn't over. 2 comes after 1, and 3 comes after 2. I'm sorry, Mr. Gar. I can't accept this beautiful novelty key.
Fine. Brandon, the key is yours. I'm not lugging it back to my office.
Woohoo! Okay, KO. Let's be a level 1 going on 2 hero today.
After weeks of confusion and chaos, chaos, Level 0 Nightmare is finally over, thanks to the tireless efforts of local Plaza employee and kid, KO. Every hero's level has been restored to its proper number. And on a personal note, I would also like to take this opportunity to apologize to my dear friend and colleague, Tony. I'm sorry.
Did you think you'd see the last of me, like when Plaza Turbozos? Oh, sure. My last humiliating feat at the hands of a mere child was a personal setback, but I did some soul-searching and whimpering and evil scrapbooking, and now I'm back and better than ever.
KO, I'm running the statistical odds on you defeating a Mega Lord Boxman twice, and...
No discouraging calculations, Dendy.
Yeah, who needs math when you got guns?
New evil mech suit, same doofus inside it.
Oh, hi, hon. Go have fun with your robots, but be careful. Being careful isn't going to get me from hero level 1.2 to 1.3, Mommy, but I will.
You guys ready to be heroes today?
Never not ready. Born ready.
I was born my mommy's sweet little feet. And then I had to learn to eat solid foods, and then walk and talk and sleep in a big boy's bed. Never could figure out how to tie up my shoes, so I stopped wearing them. But after I was done with all that stuff, hero ready every day, all day. For the Plaza! Yeah.
Every second that you see is 24 connected pieces. Thank you for coming. Thank you for staying.